Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Today, I am going to talk about how to overcome the fear of public speaking. Tip number 1. Know your topic. The more you know about your topic, the more you will care about it. And also it will be less likely that you will get off track. And if you do so, then it will be easier for you to recover. Also, keep in mind the type of questions that may be asked to you from the audience and keep your responses ready. Tip number 2. Try to memorize the introductory part of your speech. Because by the time you get up on this stage and start telling your introductory part, you would have got rid a bit of your nervousness and a bit of stage fear. Also, you would have gained a bit of confidence. Tip number 3. Get organized ahead of time. Keep your props and aids that you are going to use during your speech or presentation ready. The more organized you are, the less nervous you will be. Tip number 4. Practice your full presentation or speech more than once. Also, try to state it or present it in front of people you are less familiar with, because this will give you more confidence. You can also try to make a video of your presentation or speech so that you can find out opportunities for improvement. Next, we have a natural tendency of overestimating the likelihood of bad things happening. So, try to challenge your specific worries. What I mean to say is that most people have fear of public speaking regarding certain parts of it. For example, some of us think that what if we forget something on stage, or someone thinks that what if the audience thinks something wrong or they laugh at him or her. So everyone has specific problems regarding public speaking. Try to find that out, challenge yourself and try to perform it better and try to make yourself better at it. Next, visualize your success. Imagine that your presentation or speech is going to go very well. This kind of positive thoughts will help you decrease your negativity. Next, focus on your content. Focus on what you're going to say and not on your audience. Because people tend to be more attentive on new information than how it is presented. At last but not the least, when you are going up to the stage or the podium, make sure that you take a deep and slow breath and also try to keep your mind blank with only the introductory part that you have memorized. Believe me, you're going to be great out there. Even if you think that you did not do a perfect job, your audience is going to love you. That's all for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.